Hey guys, happy Friday. I just wanted to mention that for the discussion grades, what happens is I grade as I go so that you kind of always have a feel for where you stand. So the day after you make your main post or your initial post, you'll probably see a grade most likely somewhere between 40 and 60. And then as you make your reply posts, then your grade will incrementally go up. So your final grade usually won't be available until around Monday at noon. But just keep an eye on that, and that should give you kind of a feel for where you are. I know sometimes it's a little scary to look in the grade book. It looks like you have an F, but it's not an F. It's just you've only earned the points so far for the main post, because remember, your total grade is a sum of the points for your initial post and your reply post. So if you have questions about that, let me know. For any of you moms, happy Mother's Day. I hope you guys all have a great weekend. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Take care.